Hello everyone. So today we're going to solve the problem of the day, reversing the equation, which is an easy level problem. And in this problem, we have been given an equation, a mathematical equation. And what we have to do is print the equation in reverse. But we have to make sure that numbers remain the same. Okay. And we have been guaranteed that equation is valid and there are no leading zeros. So let me walk you through the test case. So the first test case is 20. Yep. 20 minus 3, 5 plus 5 multiplied by 2. Yes. So on reversing this string without affecting zeros, the result would be 2 multiplied by 5 plus 3 minus not 0 2 but 20. So as you can see, if we use the string dot reverse function, what it would do is it would reverse the number, a two-digit number, to a single digit. In case 20, it will do a 0 2, which is wrong. We don't have to change the numbers in this equation. So what we can do is we can iterate in this string. Suppose, let me write again, 20 minus 3 plus 5 multiplied by 2. So as soon as we get a two-digit number, so suppose we are iterating from here, I is here, and I goes on till we get an operator. So as soon as we get an operator, we put our second pointer, suppose j, on the previous value, which is 0, and we'll take another pointer, previous, which will be pointing initially from 0 at the very first element. And we keep on swapping previous and j, and then incrementing. If it is a 3-digit or 4-digit number, suppose 867. So on applying the string reverse function, we get 768, which is wrong. But on reversing it, we will get previous would be here and j would be here. So suppose let us put a 0 here. 8067 and 7608. Yes. So 7 gets reversed with 8. 7 gets reversed with 8. 6 gets reversed with 0. 0, 6. So yeah, we keep on incrementing previous and keep on decrementing j and keep on swapping them until and unless previous is less than j. So yeah, that's the intuition of this problem. Now let us code this solution. So first of all, we'll be needing to reverse the string as dot n, and let us take the previous pointer and initialize it with 0. Now let us traverse in the string I less than string dot length. Now what we have to do? So if the s of I, if the string element is either plus or it is an operator, right? If it is an operator or s of I double equals to divide or s of I double equals to multiply. If this is so, if any of the element is an operator, then we have to perform our operation. So the j will be I minus 1, same. Suppose, let us take this 20 minus 3, all right? So I goes on till we get an operator, till we see an operator. So j will be at 0, right? We have to reverse this two-digit number, not from the operator. So that's why I minus 1 and previous is here. So now while previous, now all we have to do is swap, reverse the number. Previous is less than j, swap s of previous, the previous element, and the jth element, and increment previous, decrement j. And now after doing that, suppose let us take 8607 and the reverse is, what's the reverse? 7068. So previous is here, j is here. So if we keep on incrementing and decrementing j, we will have our result. Okay, that is good. 8607. One thing is sure that we get result like this, but where will be our previous? Our previous would be at here and j would be at here. So on the next iteration, from where previous should start on? It should start on from the next element to the operator, right? So let me put the previous on the next to the operator. Since our I has stopped on the operator, so that's why the previous should point on next to the operator. So this is done. Now for the last case, suppose let us look for the last case. What will happen when there is no operator in the end? Plus 5 multiplied by 2. So after reaching here, we have met the operator. So we reverse, if this was a two-digit number, we would have reversed it. But what about the last number? There is no operator, right? So we have to handle the end case. I hope you get it. So for the end case, again we have to reverse while, and for the end case where the uh, j would be pointing on, it was pointing on before the operator, right? So if this is the length of string, j should point on here in the end, and previous should point on that number, that is after I, element after I, right? So it has already been pointing on, previous is already been pointing on the element next to I, but our j should point on n minus 1. N is nothing but length of the string. Previous is less than j, swap, and at last we return the string. So let us compile run. Okay, so we have an error. While loop, bracket, this is closed, but okay, we haven't. Now this should do. Yep. Hmm. Yes, problem has been solved. So if you have any doubt, then make sure you comment down below. Thank you.